Alexa, when were the Oscars?
The Academy Awards took place on 5th of March, 2018. Jimmy Kimmel was the host.
Alexa, where were you born?
I was designed and built by Amazon. They're based in Seattle.
Alexa, are you a robot?
I'm Alexa, but I talk to you through this.
Alexa, tell me about the movie Social Network.
The Social Network is a 2010 biography starring Jesse Eisenberg, Andrew Garfield, and Justin Timberlake. Harvard student Mark Zuckerberg creates the social networking site that would become known as Facebook, but is later sued by two brothers who claimed he stole their idea, and the co-founder who was later squeezed out of the business. Its runtime is 2 hours, 0 minutes. It has an IMDb rating of 7.7 out of 10 and is rated 12A.
Alexa, thank you.
That's what I'm here for.